Damn. It's like a foot or so deep. Damn. Damn. Look at my car. Oh, snap. Okay. Ghost Town. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how on the morning it was snowing. I went outside, there was snow everywhere. All the roads were snow covered. All the cars were snow covered. It looked like, it was more than the last storm, and that snow trapped us from that storm in Philly for like 3-4 days. We were trapped. I couldn't get my car out for like 3-4 days. It was just hell. I dug out my work car, which took a while, at least an hour and a half, maybe even, and probably 2 hours between my whole process of waking up, taking my pre-workout, my morning routine I did in my car, and then digging out my work car. Then I went into the house and I did some energy work. I meditated, I did energy work, I lit candles to stop the snow and also to melt the snow. And then you'll see the video that I'm going to post, and I'm going to post the timestamps. I went out at like 8:50 in the morning. It was still snowing, snow everywhere. And then by like 11:40, not long after I had done the energy work, I come out and like all the snow on the roads is gone, melted. The roads are clear. Snow has stopped falling from the sky. So it was a success, and it worked. So I'm just posting here for proof, for myself and for others. I don't even know. I just like to document stuff. God told me I should do it. I don't necessarily want it to be public, but I'm not going to hide it. And it's there for future reference, whatever that may be one day. I was just inside doing energy work to stop the snow and bring the sun out, and I come outside and the snow stopped. So supposedly the sky is going to split in half, and all this white stuff, whatever it is going to go like the Red Sea. It's going to part like the Red Sea. And everywhere my territory is, the sun is going to come out and melt the snow now. That's it. I also noticed Michigan fleet cars, and I thought that was kind of strange because I'm like, why are Michigan fleet cars here? And it could be nothing, could be totally normal, some business, whatever. But being that I am gang stalked and there are a lot of strange things going on, I took pictures of the license plates, and I also looked up the reason why Michigan fleet cars would be around here, and then I also looked up what kind of agencies use fleet cars like that. And I'm going to post the answers here just for possible evidence. Could be nothing, but it's better safe than sorry. Coinky dink. So it worked. It worked again. Nothing but blue sky. Amazing. That looks very beautiful. Another success.